Finding the perfect piece of vacant land can feel like searching for buried treasure. It's a quest filled with excitement and endless possibilities. It's exciting, full of potential and the promise of what could be. But it can also be frustrating and overwhelming. Addresses don't always exist for vacant lots, making them tricky to locate. This lack of information can be a major hurdle. Traditional methods like driving around or relying on word of mouth can be time-consuming and ineffective. They often lead to dead ends. You need a smarter, more efficient solution to navigate this complex landscape. That's where GIS mapping systems come in. These advanced tools are game changers. These powerful tools provide a detailed map of an area, including vacant properties, with incredible accuracy. They offer a clear view of the land. Think of them as your treasure map in the world of real estate investing, guiding you to hidden gems. GIS stands for Geographic Information System. It's a powerful software that combines geographic data with other relevant information, making it incredibly useful. Imagine a digital map that not only shows you streets and buildings but also reveals property lines, zoning details, and even soil types. That's the power of GIS technology. For real estate investors, this is invaluable and can save a lot of time. You can quickly identify vacant parcels of land, assess their size and shape, and even see neighboring properties. Using a county GIS system might seem daunting at first, but it's surprisingly user-friendly. With a few simple steps, you can easily navigate through the system and find the information you need. Most systems follow a similar structure. First, access your county's GIS website. This is usually the starting point for all your searches and queries. Start by finding your county's official website. You can do this by entering the county name followed by GIS in your preferred search engine. Look for a link or section related to GIS, maps, or property records. This section is typically prominently displayed on the home page or under a services menu. Next, navigate to the map interface. This is where you will be able to interact with the digital map and access various tools and features. Once you're on the GIS platform, you'll typically see an interactive map. This map is the core of the GIS system and allows you to explore different areas and properties. Familiarize yourself with the basic tools such as zoom and pan. These tools will help you move around the map and focus on specific areas of interest. Then, search for your area of interest. This could be a specific address, neighborhood, or even a zip code. Use the search bar to enter an address, neighborhood, or zip code. The system will then locate and highlight the area on the map. This will zoom the map to your desired location, making it easier to examine the details of that specific area. After that, identify vacant parcels. These are plots of land that have not been developed and are often highlighted in a specific color. Look for parcels of land that are not developed. These might be highlighted in a specific color or have a designation like vacant or undeveloped. These might be highlighted in a specific color or have a designation like vacant or undeveloped. Finally, explore property details. This information can be crucial for making informed decisions. Click on a vacant parcel to access its information. This will provide you with detailed data about the property. This might include the owner's name, assessed value, zoning regulations, and more. Understanding these details can help you make better decisions regarding property investments or developments. GIS systems are powerful tools, but they do have limitations. While they provide a wealth of information, it's important to remember that this data is only as good as its last update. They are not always up to date. This can be a significant drawback, especially in fast-moving markets where conditions change rapidly. Property ownership or zoning might have changed since the last update. This can lead to discrepancies that could affect your investment decisions. Always verify information from a GIS system with official county records. This extra step ensures that you have the most accurate and current data. Treat GIS as a starting point, not the final word. Use it to guide your initial research, but always cross-check with other reliable sources. Despite these limitations, the benefits of GIS in real estate investing are undeniable. They provide a comprehensive overview that can save you time and resources. They offer a cost-effective and efficient way to find and evaluate vacant properties. This can be particularly useful for investors looking to identify potential opportunities quickly. In the ever-changing world of real estate, adaptability is key. Staying informed and flexible allows you to respond to new information and market conditions effectively. Embrace new technologies like GIS, and you'll be well equipped to uncover hidden opportunities and make smarter investment decisions. By leveraging these tools, you can stay ahead of the competition and maximize your returns.